Here is the new car park of the Ikea store in Hengelo. It has 3 lifts and they are Orona lifts. Orona is a Spanish company and they are part of Mondragon, which is a cooperative corporation. Um, the older lifts in the IKEA store were built by liften, and liften has been taken over by Orona. Anyway, the lifts are a bit generic, I think, especially the older liften ones. However, I think that the Orona lifts have very nice fixtures. They seem to be nicer than the ones that liften used. These fixtures look a bit like MAD fixtures. As usual for IKEA stores, the lift cabs are very big. That's no surprise because you are able to put your shopping cart in there. And of course they have a very large carrying capacity. The lifts and the car park have been built in 2013, so they are brand new. As you would expect, they are traction elevators without a machine room. I've seen this building under construction and the lift motors are really small. They are just suspended at the top of the shaft. One thing I did notice is that the doors make a scratchy sound. I just think it's that cheap stainless steel doing that. Anyway, I think the fixtures are nice.
Landing.